everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate a 3D mock-up of this medicine box packaging that I had already created. So just in case if you haven't seen its tutorial, I highly recommend that you go back to this packaging section where I have shown step by step on how you can create this medicine box template. Okay, so what I've done is that I have already opened up the template that I had made, and I've copied the front side of my packaging, the side, and also the back side as well. So I'll be showing 3 sides of my packaging template, and no, actually I'll show this side as well. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to click on copy this. I'm going to click on Alt to make a copy, and I'm going to copy it like that. Okay, so now that I've got this, I've made the copies of all the sides right here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select each one, right click on this, and I'm going to group them together so that it becomes into one, so that it becomes easier for me to select the entire thing. Right, so I'm just going to select all of this and group them together like that. Okay, now that I've got this, so I'll be adding all these grouped items in the symbols panel right here. So just in case if you cannot see the symbols panel, you can easily access that by going over here to this Windows panel, and at the bottom you will find the symbols option right here. Okay, so I'm just going to drag these objects one by one into the symbols option and keep renaming them. So the first one was the front side, so I'll rename this to be front side symbol. Click on OK, and I'm going to also keep deleting them as well, because since I have grouped them and also I have added them as a symbol. And this is going to be side 1 symbol. Click on OK. Okay, I'm going to select these two, bring them over here as well. No, not switches. Yeah. And now I'm going to add these as well. So this is the back side. Wait. Yeah, so this is the back side symbol. Okay. I'm going to read that as well. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to rename this one to be side 2 symbol like that. Okay, so I'm going to first select this one right here, and I'm going to so I'm going to select this background, click on Alt to make a copy, and I'm going to bring it right here. So I'm going to convert this into a box first, but before I do that, I will be removing my stroke like that. Okay, and I'm going to select this, and this. Actually, just these 3. Wait, I'm going to just remove this thing. Yeah, I'm going to click on Alt to make a copy of this one as well. And wait, click on Alt like that. Okay, so I've got this, and I'm going to select this and also remove the stroke as well. So I'll be converting these two into boxes where you can see all the sides, right? So I'm going to do it with this one first. I'm going to select this box, make sure that my stroke has been removed. I'll go to Effects, 3D, and I'm going to click on Extrude and Bevel. So over here, I'm going to just change the position up a bit like that. And in the extrude depth, I'm gonna give the extrude to be 200 points. I'm just gonna click on preview to see. Okay, I'm just gonna extend this a little bit more to say 250, and let me see. Okay, so 250 looks good, looks pretty decent to me for a medicine box template. And I'm going to go over here to this map art, and as you can see that you see this document right here, this is this front portion right here, right? So you can make out, because the portion which is highlighted in red, which has a red stroke, you know that it's the front side. So I'm just going to add the front side symbol like that, and if I click on preview, so it will take a little time, and there you go. So we've got this, and then I'm going to choose this side one as well, and I'm going to add side one symbol like this, and I'm going to wait for the symbol to come. But as you can see that it doesn't really fit, right? But I'm going to just rotate it. So it takes now that the front side as well as this back side has also been added, so you need a little patience just to get this thing rotated. And once that happens, as you can see over here in this 3D mockup style, it's coming into place, and I'm going to go ahead and click on OK and OK again. Alright, so I'm just going to drag this onto the side right here, and I'm going to make this into a 3D effect as well. So I'll go to extrude and bevel and give the same dimensions and repeat the same process again. The extrude depth is going to be 250 points, and if I click on preview like that, and let's see, cancel, wait, I'm just gonna delete this for now. I'm just gonna repeat the same thing like here. Okay, bevel, 250 points, preview. Wait, I have to remove the stroke. Yep, map art. I'm gonna add the backside symbol, and then I'm gonna choose the side symbol. I'm gonna add side 2 symbol like that, and I'm gonna rotate this as well like this. And as you can see, this also gets rotated like that, and I'm going to click on OK and OK as well. So now that I've added everything, I'm going to go ahead and delete my template now. I'm going to select these two, go to Object and click on Expand Appearance, and I'm going to just select these two, and I'm going to just scale them down a little like that. And I'm just gonna drag my shapes like this. I have to decrease the size as well, like this. I'm gonna keep this one here and keep that there. Let's see, I want to resize this a little bit more. Okay, so now I've got everything, and my cough syrup template looks a lot realistic now. So I'm going to go ahead and also save my document now. So I'm going to go to File and click on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, which was Medicine Box Packaging Template. And I'm going to rename this to be 3D Mockup of Medicine Box Template. And I'm going to save this as an Adobe Illustrator file. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file. And I'm going to go ahead and click Enter and Enter again. So there you go. We have now successfully also saved our document in a 3D mockup style of our medicine box. So now that we have come to the end of our tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful. And with a little practice, you can make similar packaging templates as well for different products as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.